Strong wind gusts are possible with these storms. These wind gusts are capable of not... The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:11 p.m., strong thunderstorm was located over York Spit Reef, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Bluefish Rock, Buoy 36A, Cabbage Patch, Two Marshes Light, Cape Charles Harbor, New Point Comfort, The Hump, Latimer Shoal, Bocosin, York Spit Reef, Kipper Peak Concrete Ships, Plantation Light and 4th Island Bay Bridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Chincoteague to Paramore Island, Virginia, 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Paramore Island to Cape Charles Light, Virginia, 20 nautical miles until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Neron and Cock Inlet to Cabbage Patch, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater in small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Watchaprig Inlet and Paramore Island around 8:20 p.m. Watchaprig Reef around 8:25 p.m. Great Machapongo Inlet around 8:40 p.m. Assateague Beach around 8:45 p.m. Blackfish Reef around 8:55 p.m. Bone Wreck around 9 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.